Well, good morning, YouTube. It's about 7:30 a.m. here in western North Carolina. As you can see, it's another beautiful fall morning here in the mountains. And this is what I think is about to be a fun video for y'all, but probably not so much fun for me. Had a request by my little brother. He wanted me to shoot random things at point blank range with my shotgun. Let me show you my shotgun. I haven't had it out in a while. This is my Rock Island Armory pump shotgun. I absolutely love this shotgun. This shotgun is lighter than normal shotguns. So with that being said, when you're shooting 3-inch mags through it or 1-ounce slugs, it's got quite a bit more recoil than your standard 12 gauge. So I've named her Oh Bitchy. And this is what we're shooting. Got some flour, 2 liter of Dr. Pepper, a gallon of Arizona lemon flavored tea, as well as a big thing of Folgers. Nothing like waking up with Folgers in your cup. Some gourmet nacho cheese, some Bush's Original Baked Beans, and a can of tomato sauce. I'm going to be shooting these number 7 Rio Burden target loads. And then I've got some 2 3/4 1600 velocity 1-ounce slugs, as well as I got some 3-inch 1300 foot velocity 1 3/4 ounce number 4 shot of these high brass 3-inch mags. Now what I'm going to do is I've got 7 items here, so I'm going to take all my shells. That way I don't know which ones I'm doing. I'm going to throw them here in this bag. Let me get out one more, because that was 6. Here goes another one of them 3-inch mags. And then I'm going to load up my shotgun without looking, so I'm not going to know what order those shells are coming out in. So why don't we get to it? So here we go. I'm actually going to close my eyes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to get a smaller bag. That bag is just too big. Okay. Won't take 6, so obviously I got some of those 3-inch mags in there. We're loaded up. Now I'm going to go set up on the table and get the GoPro set up. And as you can see, I'm going to give you a shooter's point of view from my other GoPro. So let's go have some fun. Enjoy this morning. Okay, here we go. From shooter's point of view, from about 3 feet. Goodbye, flower. Holy shit. That must have been a 3-inch mag. Woo! That was unbelievable. Yes, it was. Goodbye, Dr. Pepper. that was terrible. Dr. Pepper to the face. Goodbye, Arizona sweet tea. That was not a good idea. I really don't want to do this. I don't like you, Steven. I don't like you much at all. Let's continue with it. That coffee was cool. Some nacho cheese. Damn it, boy. Damn it, boy. Baked beans. Baked beans. So there's the aftermath to my table. I did not hit the table. That's just the energy transferred through the liquid. And when I was shooting the baked beans, man, a fucking bean came out and smacked me right there. It's probably gonna black underneath my eye. It hit me with some damn force. So there you go, Steven. I hope you're happy. I've got some nacho cheese and sweet tea and tomato sauce, and yeah, it's all over me. So anyway, hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed, I ask that you do so now. Hit the like button, hit the notification button, and stay tuned for more to come. As always, eyes open, no fear. Stay safe out there and enjoy life, because that's what life's about. Till next time, I'll see ya.